Hello everyone, welcome to Learn and Clear Exams with me. Okay, the objective of today's video is as following. Okay, after document verification, what are the next procedure or the steps? And many of you were asking what is secret key. I'm going to answer for what is secret key. And before option entry, you are supposed to do some preparatory work at home. Okay, and how to enter both MCA and MBA options. Okay. And these are the total objective of today's video. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe it, guys. And uh, after watching this video, I mean today's video, you can watch this video too, that is option entry with example based on 5 12 21 replies. Okay, as a reference, if you want, you can watch it up. And it is not mandatory, to watch. And it is not going to be the same as like it was just an example which we had done on that day, like based on our regular viewers replies. Okay, as a reference, if you want, you can watch it up. Okay, then let me tell you out what is secret key, as many of our viewers were asking, so I just wanted to tell it out. So I hope you all know, like fourth, fifth, and today is sixth, right? Okay. After document verification, I think they had given the acknowledgement slip. In the acknowledgement slip, when you see over there, okay, you will be having secret key, and secret key can also called be as unique key. Okay. The candidate who becomes eligible after verification of documents will be given just a minute. Okay. Okay. The candidate who becomes eligible after verification of documents, you will be given I security key. Okay, the candidate has to be used this secret key to register and create a password as per his or her choice for login at the online option entry. During online option entry, this secret key you are supposed to give. For any reason, the secret key and password should not be known or revealed to others, as it might enable modification or tampering options. Okay, please don't reveal your secret key and password to anyone. Okay, the candidate will solely, means individually, be responsible for maintaining the secrecy of password and secret key. KA will not take any responsibility in this regard. Password is important and shall be held confidentially. That is why they are calling a secret. Okay, secret key. It is important as the pin of the ATM. See, pin of the ATM card. Password is essential for candidates login, entry of option, change of options. Okay, I hope you are with me. Saving and deletion of options, and for printing the allotment details. So this option key you are supposed to maintain as a secrecy. And how during option entry, how it will be seen. Okay, here it is there. Okay, when you go to the KA website. Okay, okay, here page number 40. When you check this, okay, for MBA MCA courses, this is just a sample example. Okay, CET number, application number, secret key, new password. Okay, you are supposed to give the new password followed by confirm password, your mobile number. I mean during application form, whichever mobile number you gave, okay, do give that. And mentioning as please provide a valid phone number. Okay, then email ID and the secret int question and the secret key answer. So I suggest you, like after application form, many of you had forgotten the password itself and secret key itself. So in a book, okay, the book should be it be separately kept, and no others open such kind of books. Or in your phone itself, save this CET number, application number, secret key code, and whichever the password you are giving, and confirm password, all this detail you save it somewhere, you write it somewhere. Okay, and make sure others are not seeing secret key, so that in one point of time, as we all are human beings, so we do forget the things. Okay, so that if you write somewhere or keep somewhere, you don't forget. Okay, now let me answer for the second question, that is preparatory work at home before option entry. About this in detail, in one of my video, I just told about what is preparatory work at home. Well, for new viewers, again I'm going to tell it out. Okay, not briefly, in just in it 2 3 lines I'm going to tell. But if you wanted to know, either you can read this, or else you can, I mean, download the brochure and you can read it out, or else you can check what's that video link I'll be providing in the description box. Okay, allotment of seat depends entirely on the priority options given by the candidates. Okay, as per the merit or rank. Hence it is utmost importance to familiarize oneself with the operation of work, the locking of seats, so that correct choice options are entered. And and they are telling you do watch that video, guys, otherwise this video, it is going to be lengthy. And it is better to write the order options on a white paper, I mean A4 sheet or some, and discuss with your same with your parents, guardians, and mentors, etc. So do check that video, or else read the brochure, guys. Okay, and one more other side also, they mentioned it out, like how to. Okay, here it is, I think. Just a minute. One more side. See, the candidates are advised not to start the entering of option directly on the online option form on the internet without preparatory work at home on the choice of option, as it leads to commission of mistake, wrong entries, wrong order of preferences. In order to avoid last minute rush, candidates are advised not wait till the last day, and KA will not responsible for any net related problem. Okay, and one more I'll show you. Okay, this is guys. So this point also make sure. Okay, here you go. Page number 42. Preparatory work homework before option entry. Okay, as we have been telling you, there is a preparatory homework to be done very specifically before you are set to key in your option. Your guiding factors are as follows. Okay, check your rank, your choice of stream, whether it is MBA, MCA, MTech, what is that? Seat matrix issued this year by the government. I hope you all have checked the seat matrix. The notification. If not, you can check in our video. Also, we had mentioned. I mean, in our channel also. Okay, whether you come under which category, choice of college, its faculty, results of the previous year. Okay, like fact about the reviews, they are generally telling, okay, results, what is the results of previous year, infrastructure, placements, and availability of good hostel facility. Please go, and also you can visit about the college. See, if you're not checking in the Google review, you can also check in the AICT website for the details on the college. Read through this instruction manual, that is the brochure book, and user handbook carefully, as also the criteria followed by the computer on the allotment of seats. Okay, the option worksheet is there. You can, okay, this one now, as of now, you ignore it. Okay, now, or else let me tell it out. Okay, the option worksheet is there. You can take a printout of the same and start writing your option and discuss with your parents, family, and friends. Okay, some option worksheet is there. Okay, you can check it out and discuss with your family, friends, etc., and finalize your option. Write down. Now you are set for entry of the option. You can check that video. Okay, 4 weeks back I had done the video. I hope regular viewers, I think you had watched. Okay, as a reference you can watch it up, guys. And again, I'm telling, it is not mandatory. If you are wishing, you can check that video. Okay, at last I had prepared one sheet. Okay, that sheet also you can check it out. Well, okay, like this, they had given us the example, the option entry worksheet. Okay, it is just a example. It is not going to be same. So that if the example, if they give, so that it will be useful. Okay, you can check like this examples too. Okay, and I hope before option entry, do a preparatory work, guys, so that when real option entry comes, so that you don't be having any trauma. Well, someone asked me how to enter both MCA and MBA options. Okay, for this question also, in this brochure itself, the answer is given, guys. Okay, case 1, case 2, like that they had given. Let me show it out. See, when you download this brochure, no, you can search, guys. Just give the keywords and you can search so that it will be really easy. Well, see, in the case 1, okay, this is just an example. Okay, name of the candidate is Raju, category is general merit, and in MTech he had secured 1200, whereas MBA he secured 4000. So that, see here how to opt. Okay, Raju, this guy is very much interested in MTech. Okay, so that he gave us option 1 in the priority number column. He has given the option 1, and option 2 again is very much interested in MTech. Option 3 also MTech. Option 4, okay, what if I don't get the MTech seat? Okay, let me try it out for MBA. Okay, he's interested like this. Okay, based on his interest, he is opting, and followed by like this. Okay, so let me read it out. Okay, or else you can also read it one more time, so that it will be easy. The computer starts MTech seat allotment with rank 1. Okay, then after completing his allotment till rank 199 1 sorry 1199, it reaches a rank 1200. Okay, I hope you got. Raju's MTech rank is 1200. Okay, 1200. Option number 1 is not there. Okay, he adopted as a MTech. Option 1, it is not available. Similarly, option 2, option 3 is not available, as the candidate above his rank has already been allotted and no vacancy exists. Option 1, option 2, option 3, it is not available. Then what will happen? The next option is 4, which is MBA. Hence, it is not considered in this stage. Okay, MBA also not available. So the next option is also MBA, that is option 5th, which is not considered for the allotment. The sixth option, okay, option is MTech, so it will be considered for the allotment. Okay, the sixth option is available, and the sixth option is available, and the computer will allot the seat under the MTech to this candidate, that is Raju. And the options below sixth will not be considered for the future allotment. So the options will be freezed. Okay, let me show this example again. See, the computer starts searching from rank 1 to 1199. For example, first option is not available, second also not, and so on up to fifth option also it was not available. For 4000 rank, again there will be, scanning from rank 1 to 399. Okay, if again if everything is allotted as he belongs to general merit, okay, if the all this it is not available, then option 6, some college he gave, some MTech college he gave, then therefore if it is available, this college he will be allotting for the first round. Okay, this is how guys they are telling. And after this options will not be available in the second round if he wanted to, proceed. Okay, the sixth option which I got, say like I am the Raju, I'm not interested with sixth option, so that I wanted to go for the, the second round. Okay, about choice one in India, choice one and choice two, choice three, choice four plays a role. Okay, about this another video, in another video I will tell it out. Okay, as of now, see, I'm okay, I got option six. Okay, whereas this seats, no, the lower priority order will be cancelled. Okay, I hope in the document verification also they had said, in the mic they had said, I think. See, that's what they had mentioned. The sixth option available in the seat order to MTech to this candidate, and option below six will not be considered for future allotment. Option below will be freezed. Okay, and one more case. Okay, case it is, see, it is only an example. It is not going to be as same. Syed. Okay, name of the candidate is Syed. Category is a 2B. MCA rank is 1450, whereas MBA rank is 1340. So this guy had given like all the options. Okay, from option 1 to option 6 as MBA, option 7 and option 7 and option 9 as so, okay, I'm sorry. I think okay. Option 1 to option 6 is MCA. Option 7 is MBA. Option 9 is MBA. Option 8 is MCA. So, let me read it out so that you will be getting a clear picture. Okay. The candidate is considered as per his rank. Okay. What is his rank? 1450, 1340. Okay, as per his rank and as per his options. Okay, again and again they are telling as per his option. Okay, whenever you are giving options, please do careful and check the previous year cutoff. Okay, for example, you are getting 4,000, 5,000, or 6,000 rank. Okay, someone, okay, you will be not getting so called top colleges, guys. Okay, and do check the last year cutoff based on your category, and then you list the colleges. Preparatory work at home is really important. Then when you opt, okay, as in the order of priority mentioned by the candidate, the computer start MCA allotment with rank 1. Then after completing the allotment till 1449, okay, 1449, it reaches to the rank 1450. Sayed MCA rank is 1450, and hence option 1 is not available. For example, this option is not available. Okay, then similarly, option 2 is not available as the candidate above his rank has already been allotted and no vacancy exists. Likewise, it goes up to the option 6 by checking the vacancy. The next option is 7. Okay, and the option given, it is seventh option he gave as MBA, which is not considered at this stage. Okay, even the seventh option is also not available. So then, therefore, the computer moved to the next option, that is eighth option, and the seat is available. Hence, the computer allowed the option number 8 to the candidate. Okay, option number 8 to the candidate. And this is how, guys, for example, Raju's rank is, let us assume, 10th rank. Okay, let us assume. Okay, in the 10th rank, of course the cutoff will be very less. Okay, if we give only 3 options, he will be getting out. The first option is itself, the favorite college itself, we will be getting out. Okay, this is how. I'm not degrading anyone's rank, just I'm telling. Okay, this is how, guys. Okay, and whenever you are giving the option, do check it and think twice, and learn about the college, how it is. Okay, check the Google review, and and many of the website, also in the website you will be knowing about the college. Even the KE had mentioned where to check it, that is AICT, in the website, their website also you can check about the college. Okay, one more example also given, it is purely for MBA. For example, yeah, again you will be asking, Akka, I just wrote MCA, so is it going to be a problem? No. Okay, if you have done, okay, for example, MCA and MBA, you're not interested for MCA, let us assume you are interested for MBA, give only MBA. Or else MCA and MBA both you have written, you're not interested for MBA, give only MCA, no problem at all. Okay, and the rank is C150 rank, and it will be allotting. Okay, and this is just an example, guys. Okay, and also read the brochure, guys. Many of times I told, okay, read the brochure. And in next video, okay, about choice 1, choice 2, choice 3, I'm going to tell it out. Okay, and if you choice 3 and followed by choice 4. Okay, if you haven't not yet subscribed to our channel, do subscribe it. And then bye all, stay home, stay safe, and get vaccinated. Okay, I hope all these questions were clear enough. Okay, for more details you can either read the brochure.